Welcome to this course about marketing value proposition development. Learn how to craft a great marketing value proposition and utilize a framework to create your own exceptional value proposition. This is a marketing framework called the customer funnel. The goal as marketers is to funnel prospects into buyers, moving them from the top to the bottom of the funnel. At the start of the buyer's journey, where they begin at the stage of awareness, they will move down to interest, decision, and action, which is ultimately our goal as conversion. As you can see, this funnel shape reflects the fact that a large number of people will never complete the journey through the funnel. At the top, it's awareness. A prospect has to become aware of two things: their problems and your solution. You will expose your product or service to a lot of people at the top of the funnel, but only a small fraction will actually convert. It is in this stage that your brand is exposed to the prospects alongside a competitor. It is at the decision stage a prospect wants to make a purchase, but it may or may not be with a brand. They are in the final stages of evaluating whether or not to commit. Middle of the funnel is also keeping that nurturing process in motion, letting those leads move from the top to the bottom. At the action stage, your prospects may buy from a company or another company, and based on their findings, they could decide that they are not making a purchase at all. Bottom funnel marketing focuses on identifying consumers who are in a buying decision and then converting them.